So this video is well over a month overdue. I owe Jeff and Kyle a big apology. But here is the box. Super cool, by the way. I have already split the seams because I tend to shake on camera, so we're just gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we got. So the Lunchbox. Who doesn't love a Lunchbox? That is super cool. Only here for the fishes. And we've got the shiny Jeff Kane. Mystery packs. Gold pack. Awesome. Some most excellent Empire of Dirt stickers. Color in black and white. Love them, Jeff. Very cool. More autographed shinies. A Jeff. Aw, thank you. Member number 1. That is awesome. That is going somewhere special. Gold packs, more mystery packs. This is a box stuffed. So very cool. Oh, and look at this on the inside. I got a wild caught willow. How cool is that? Is that a magnet? That is a magnet. Sweet. Alright, well, I will have to do a part 2 opening these all up because I'm actually on my lunch break and I don't really have time right now. So, we will call this part 1 of 2.